When your Toyota displays both the track off and check engine lights simultaneously, this indicates a significant problem within your vehicle's systems that requires immediate attention. The traction control system, or TRAC, relies on several critical components working together. These include wheel speed sensors, the throttle position sensor, mass airflow sensor, and the electronic control unit. Faulty wheel speed sensors are among the most common causes of these warning lights. These sensors monitor wheel rotation and send signals to the ECU to help maintain traction control. Electrical problems are another major cause. Corroded wiring harnesses, loose connections, and ground wire issues can all trigger both warning lights simultaneously. Modern Toyota vehicles provide specific diagnostic trouble codes to help identify the exact problem. Common codes include C11201 for engine control system malfunction and P0171 for a lean fuel system. Understanding these warning lights is crucial for vehicle safety. The traction control system helps prevent wheel spin and maintain stability, especially in adverse conditions. Ignoring these warnings can compromise your safety on the road. Start troubleshooting by checking your tire pressures. Uneven or incorrect tire pressure can trigger the traction control system and cause false warnings. Next, visually inspect the wheel speed sensors located near each wheel. Look for dirt, debris, or damage. Cleaning dirty sensors with brake cleaner can often resolve traction control issues. If basic checks don't resolve the issue, use an OBD2 scanner to read diagnostic trouble codes. These codes will help identify the specific problem area causing the traction control malfunction. To perform a standard reset, turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Press and hold the VSC button for at least 3 seconds until you hear a confirmation beep. For advanced diagnostics and reset procedures, Toyota TechStream software may be required. This professional tool can perform zero-point calibration and clear diagnostic trouble codes more thoroughly. Always check Toyota's technical service bulletins for your specific model year. These bulletins contain known issues and manufacturer-recommended solutions that can save time and ensure proper repair procedures. If the problem persists after following these troubleshooting steps, consult a qualified Toyota technician. Complex electrical issues or mechanical problems may require professional diagnosis and specialized equipment for proper repair.